Well, all today we're reacting to BTS V Rainy Days official MV. Yes, we're back with some more V. Taehyung, Tay. You know, it's gonna say Yontan, but that's his dog. Anyway, Rainy Days is another song that he whipped out like 5 days ago. I watched the Love Me Again MV the other day. I reacted to it and people enjoyed that, so thank you for the support on there. Honestly appreciate it. It got me a bit emotional. So is this one going to be another slow one, or is it going to be hype? We will see. But yeah, before we get into it, if you enjoy, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment with your suggestions for next time, any other V, Taehyung, BTS, K-pop stuff you want me to react to, let me know in the comments and I will read them. And subscribe with notifications on if you haven't already. It's one click and we're trying to reach 10k by the end of the year, so if you can help me, I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much. And notifications, by the way. Boom, thanks. I'm speaking so quickly, I can't talk. I need to slow down. It's time for some V greatness. Ding! It's not an actual notification, right? I like this shot. Okay, it seems very scenic so far. And very like, I don't know, I don't want to jump to the gun here, but it's got like lo-fi vibes. You know, like the lo-fi live streams of that on YouTube. The animated girl is a classic. I hope it stays like this because it's cool. Wait, what? Cozy and what? Cozy and stuck. When you listen really carefully, loops go weird. Not sure what that means. Cozy and stuck.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wish I knew how to find a way right back to
He's done it again! Every time! Is this V Rainy Days featuring Yontan? Okay, I'm gonna try not to pause too much, but I'm pretty sure that was Yontan that just went scurrying off. My boy! Anyway, let's go. This sounds very nice and I don't want to talk over it, so let's listen through together and I will react as we go.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to
The voice again.
find a way right back to you.
Another love song.
Rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wish I knew how to
Yo.
find a way right back to you. Rainy days, like staring at my phone.
Oh, the birds are big.
Hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 만나. Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days.
Without even thinking about it, I just went and got like back shivers then. Oh my, what a voice. And it's like a similar vibe to the last song about like it's, well, what it sounds like a sort of like a breakup thing, want to go back with them, you know, how it feels without them sort of thing. Rainy day. This is catchy and it's getting me a bit emotional again because there's something about this sort of lo-fi theme, the lo-fi sort of dun, 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 dun. It reminds me of like 2017 vibes. I don't know why. I probably because I listened to lo-fi music back then, and it's like that's just an era of my life. And then when you combine that with the beautiful voice of Taehyung, it's a recipe for greatness. It just is. Usually the saying is it's a recipe for disaster, but when it comes to Tae, it's a recipe for greatness. What a voice! And he's mixing up Korean and English as well. It's so impressive. Yeah, save me. Oh. The video is so simplistic as well, but it's so cool. What a nice room as well. Where is that?
It's like rainy days.
Yonta.
Thinking about what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like. Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time. Remember how I used to make you laugh the most.
What is that?
내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost.
Oh, it's so sweet.
Open all
The
the
doors.
doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은
This voice so good. Okay, I'm gonna stop pausing now. Clover.
for all the time we lost. We can start again. Open
all the doors.
Don't tell me
It's over.
We can start it over. 너는 나의 내
Clover.
Yeah,
Oh.
I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
Oh, they animated his little drawing in the bottom right.
The way right back to you. On rainy days like.
Okay, another video where my eyes have ended up watering. I don't know what's going on here. I think it's somehow it's like raining indoors. I'm not sure what's happening. That was the Rainy Days official MV. What a video and what a song. Yeah, this is great. Thank you for joining me. And if enough people, you know, are enjoying these V reactions, we can go through an adventure and do more BTS stuff. Because I don't really do much BTS stuff on this channel. So let's do more. Okay. But yeah, thank you for being here. Hopefully see you next time. Bye for now.